How to use Axia Invest properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Axia Invest is a next-generation trading and investment platform designed for both beginners and professionals. But most new users dive in too fast and make simple errors that cost them. Here's how to use it correctly. The first mistake is skipping the demo account. Axia provides a simulated trading environment that lets you practice without risk. Beginners who jump straight into live trades often lose money before they even understand the platform's tools. Next, don't overlook the analysis features. Axia includes real-time charts, indicators, and educational materials. Many users trade blindly instead of using this data to guide decisions. Another mistake? Over-leveraging. Just because the platform allows margin doesn't mean you should use it. Beginners often overextend and face liquidation when markets move unexpectedly. Pro tip: start small and use stop-loss orders to protect your capital. So, consistent gains beat risky bets every time. And here's the surprising truth: most successful Axia users aren't day traders. Hire disciplined investors who combine education, patience, and strategy. Used properly, Axia Invest can be your gateway to smarter, more controlled trading, helping you grow your capital confidently in any market condition.